Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Pros and cons of investing in commercial real estate. Investing in real estate has long been a pathway to building wealth and generating passive income. While residential properties like single-family homes and apartments are popular options, commercial real estate, CRE, presents a potentially more lucrative, though sometimes riskier, alternative. Whether it's office buildings, retail spaces, industrial properties, or multi-unit apartment complexes, commercial real estate can yield high returns and long-term stability. However, these benefits must be weighed against the challenges and risks unique to the sector. Below is a detailed analysis of the key pros and cons of investing in commercial real estate. The pros of investing in commercial real estate. 1. Higher income potential. The most significant advantage of commercial real estate over residential property is its income potential. Commercial leases typically bring in higher monthly rents than residential ones, and multiple tenants, such as in office buildings or shopping centers, create several revenue streams from one property. As a result, CRE investments often yield 6% to 12% returns annually, compared to 1% to 4% for single-family homes. 2. Long-term lease agreements. Commercial tenants usually sign longer leases, ranging from 3 to 10 years, providing more stability and predictability of income. These long-term arrangements reduce turnover, vacancy risks, and the associated costs of constantly marketing the property or finding new tenants. 3. Professional tenant relationships. Commercial tenants, such as retail businesses, medical offices, or corporations, are typically more professional and motivated to maintain the property. Unlike residential renters, commercial tenants often invest in the upkeep of their space to protect their brand and customer experience. This makes property maintenance more collaborative and often less burdensome. 4. Property appreciation and forced equity. Commercial properties can appreciate in value not just through market trends, but also through forced equity, increasing the net operating income, NOI, by raising rents or reducing expenses. This direct control allows investors to actively increase their property's value through strategic management. 5. Portfolio diversification. Adding commercial properties to an investment portfolio can provide diversification and reduce reliance on residential rental markets. CRE's performance is often tied to different economic indicators, such as consumer spending, business growth, and supply chain activity, offering a hedge against housing market downturns. The cons of investing in commercial real estate. 1. Higher initial investment. Commercial real estate typically requires significant upfront capital. From down payments and appraisal fees to zoning permits and legal costs, the entry barrier is much higher than residential investing. This can make CRE inaccessible to smaller investors or those without robust financial backing. 2. Complex management requirements. Managing commercial properties is more time-consuming and complex. Owners may need to handle multiple tenants, negotiate lease terms, address business-specific needs, and coordinate frequent maintenance and inspections. Many investors opt to hire professional property management companies, which adds to the cost. 3. Greater market sensitivity. The commercial real estate market is often more sensitive to economic cycles. Recessions can lead to increased vacancies, rent defaults, and reduced demand for office or retail space. For instance, changing consumer behavior, e.g., shift to e-commerce, can significantly affect the viability of retail centers. 4. Risk of longer vacancies. While leases may be long-term, once a tenant leaves, it can take months, or even years, to fill a vacant space. This is particularly true in highly specialized properties like medical offices or industrial warehouses that require customized layouts, making them less appealing to a broad range of tenants. 5. Regulatory and zoning challenges. Commercial properties are subject to stricter regulations than residential ones. Zoning laws, ADA compliance, environmental requirements, and local business codes can make owning and operating a CRE property more complex and legally intensive. Investors must be prepared to navigate these legal landscapes, ideally with professional guidance. Why Equity Smart Realty Inc. and Figueroa & Associates are trusted partners in commercial real estate. Navigating the complexities of commercial real estate investment, especially in a dynamic market like New York City, requires more than just business acumen. It demands legal insight and strategic guidance. That's where Equity Smart Realty Inc. and Figueroa & Associates stands out. Located at 26 Court Street, downtown Brooklyn, Figueroa & Associates provides experienced legal counsel and real estate brokerage services tailored to commercial investors. Their unique position as both attorneys and licensed real estate professionals makes them a one-stop resource for reviewing and drafting commercial leases, conducting due diligence on prospective properties, navigating zoning and permitting requirements, structuring investments for legal protection and tax efficiency, negotiating purchase and sale agreements, addressing tenant disputes and regulatory compliance. Their clients benefit from comprehensive legal protection while pursuing high-return investment opportunities. Whether you're acquiring your first commercial property or managing a large portfolio, the team at Equity Smart Realty Inc. and Figueroa & Associates delivers guidance rooted in legal precision and real estate market expertise. To learn more or schedule a consultation, call 855-768-8845 or visit asktheloire.us. Final thoughts. Is commercial real estate right for you? Investing in commercial real estate offers substantial rewards, from strong cash flow and appreciation to portfolio diversification and professional tenant relationships. However, it also requires serious due diligence, capital, and risk management. Understanding the full spectrum of pros and cons is essential for making an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. If you're ready to explore the world of commercial real estate, make sure you're supported by experts who understand both the business and legal dimensions of your investment. With the right team behind you, commercial real estate can be a cornerstone of long-term financial growth.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.